Hello everyone, another episode of Yo at Home, just finishing up the idea of binding energy. But here we're using binding energy using the physics reference tables, and they make it easy for you. In the last episode I showed you what binding energy was and how to calculate it based on the idea of converting atomic mass units to kilograms and then putting it into E equals mc squared. Or there's another way you can use. So if you look up a universal mass unit in your reference tables, you will see that 1U equals 9.31 times 10 to the second MeVs. Well, an MeV is a mega electron volt. 9.31 times 10 to the second is 931. So 931 million electron volts. 931 and 6 zeros electron volts. So they've done the conversion for you directly into energy. So if we take the mass defect in U of helium, from what we calculated before, it's 0.029398 U. Just convert to mega electron volts, that's millions of EVs, or 1 times 10 to the 6th electron volts. It's multiplication by 1 problem. So let's see how this works out. All right, so we take the mass defect, multiply it by your 931 million electron volts, so 6 zeros, and you end up with 2.737 times 10 to the 7th electron volts. But the answer we got before, we got in joules. We got 4.39 times 10 to the minus 12th joules. So why don't we convert electron volts to joules and see how that works? Remember, 1 electron volt is the same as 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19th joules. So let's do the problem. 2.737 times 10 to the minus 7th electron volts. Convert it to joules. Remember, multiplication by 1. And we get 4.39 times 10 to the minus 12th joules, compared to 4.39 times 10 to the minus 12th joules. So they make it very easy on you how to calculate binding energy if you're given AMUs or U's. It is as simple as can be to find binding energy there, just using the conversion found in your reference tables. Hope this helps. Keep looking up.